Hello, in this lecture we're going to define the term of net loss. According to Fundamental Accounting Principles, Wild 22nd edition, the definition of net loss is excess of expenses over revenues for a period. That means that we're saying that expenses are greater than the revenues. That's what a net loss is, as opposed to the situation where revenues are greater than expenses, which would be net income. Also important to note that we're talking about an income statement here, so we're talking about a beginning and an end, a time frame that has a beginning and an end over a certain period of time, the expenses being greater than revenue. If we look at our equation, we can think of revenue here in terms of if we're doing computer services, and we have expenses minus expenses that are going to be greater than the revenue. So we have revenue that's going to be less than the expenses. Therefore, when we take revenue minus expenses, we do not have net income in this case. We have, of course, a net loss. That means that the equity section also will be going down. So when we think about assets minus the liabilities or the net value of the company, the amount that is owed to the owner in terms of the equity section, that would then go down by the amount of the net loss for that period of time.